Welcome back, dear students. This is Ramana Sir Physics channel. Here, friction topic is going on. The last parts we discussed about the friction, on horizontal surface and vertical surfaces, and pulling, pushing cases also we discussed. So in this case, most important case, motion of a body on rough inclined plane. Smooth inclined plane already we discussed in the last part. So I have given in description, so you can check. Here, motion of your bodies on rough inclined plane. The number of questions they'll ask, the different types of questions they'll ask on motion of your bodies on rough inclined planes. For example, the body is sliding down on rough inclined plane, of inclination angle theta value something they'll give. They'll ask what will be the coefficient of friction between the plane and body. Sometimes coefficient of friction value they'll give, and they'll ask, so what is the time taken by the body to reach the bottom or to reach the up, with what velocity body reached bottom, or with what velocity body is moving upward, or how much time taken to reach the bottom. And same block and same inclined plane of inclination angle theta. So one is smooth inclined plane, another one is rough inclined plane. So smooth inclined plane purpose, so taken time they'll give, and rough inclined plane of coefficient of friction they'll give how much time it will take. And another cases, the same inclined plane, half part is smooth inclined plane, another part is rough inclined plane. So what would be the coefficient of friction? These are types of questions, topics we'll discuss in this class. So let's start the class. So motion of your bodies on rough inclined plane. For example, consider one body of mass m. So your body is there, the body of mass is what? M. Body of mass is what? M. Here the body is resting on rough inclined plane. So resting means how many forces are acting here. So you can observe here, the weight of the body acts vertically downward, that is denoted by symbol what? Mg. Weight of the body acts vertically downward, that is denoted by symbol Mg. This Mg is resolved into two rectangular components. One is Mg cos theta, another one is what? Mg sin theta. Here normal reaction, the perpendicular plane is called what? Normal reaction. Normal reaction always acts vertically upwards, so that is always perpendicular to the plane. So the plane perpendicular is how much? N. And so this opposing force is what? Frictional force. The frictional force, this frictional force acts against, so that frictional force we can take body at rest means Fs I am taking, body is sliding means we can take Fk, coefficient of kinetic friction. So here coefficient of static friction acts, so that is why the static frictional force Fs against the plane, so it acts upward direction, but Mg sin theta is downward direction. So we can observe here, it is very clear, the normal reaction is balanced by Mg cos theta, and Mg sin theta is balanced by frictional forces. So I am taking here, so what? Normal reaction is balanced by what? Mg cos theta, and frictional force Fs is balanced by what? Mg sin theta. And we know that frictional force formula Fs is equal to what? Mu s into n. So instead of n we can write Mg cos theta, we can write Mg cos theta also we can write. So now so what would be the acceleration? What will be the resultant force when the body is sliding down? The first case we'll discuss when the body is sliding down. So here in this case, when body is sliding down, so body sliding down time. So here observe here that body is freely falling. Freely falling means what? Initial velocity is what? 0. Okay, here, and the acceleration we have to calculate. Final velocity v equal to what? V only here. Okay, and so the resultant force on the body, so displacement is how much? Whatever the length of the plane, that only displacement. Okay, and what would be the force? Resultant force. The body is sliding down. Okay, body is sliding down. So which one? The positive mg sin theta. Resultant force F equal to what? Mg sin theta. Downward direction. Which components are there? Mg sin theta is there. Mg sin theta. But the frictional force is against the motion of the body. So that is why Fs I am taking. Frictional force is against, that is why minus Fs I am taking. Here F is equal to mg sin theta minus, we know that Fs is what? Mu s into n. Frictional force formula is what? So coefficient of friction into normal reaction. F is equal to mg into mg sin theta minus, okay, mu s n. Mu s n value we know that. Okay, normal how much? Mg cos theta. Mg cos theta. Here in this equation, here mg is there, here also mg is there. We can take common. F equal to mg into sin theta minus mu s. Okay, mg sin theta minus mu s cos theta. Here body is sliding means what? We can take mu k, we can take. Body is sliding means mu k, we can take. Mu s instead of mu s, mu k we can take. Okay, so here acceleration of the body is how much? So this is the force. Okay, what will be the acceleration when the body is sliding down? So acceleration of the body is how much? Okay, acceleration of the body is how much? So in this F equal to, okay, resultant force I am writing ma. So that time what happen? M gets cancelled. I am writing ma equal to what? Mg into sin theta minus mu s cos theta. Here gets cancelled. Okay, a equal to what? G into sin theta minus, here body is sliding means we can take mu k, we can take. Body is sliding means what? Mu k we can take. Okay, body is sliding means mu k I am writing. Okay, now a equal to g of sin theta minus mu k cos theta. So this is the acceleration of the body. So when the body is sliding down on rough inclined plane, we can take time. How much time it will take to slide down on the rough inclined plane? So from formula S equal to ut plus of at square formula. S equal to what? Ut plus of at square formula. Okay, so here S is what? Length of the plane. I'm taking L, and U is what? 0. 0 into something is what? 0. And of A is what? Okay, here A only I'm writing. So A is just now we did. So what will be the A? G sin theta minus mu k cos theta into T square into T square. Here L equal to, so 0 into something is what? This complete 0 only. Okay, so here T square we need. T square takes subject. This 2 is dividing here. If you send this side, what happen? It multiplies. 2L by A is what amount? So G sin theta minus mu k cos theta. So G of sin theta minus mu k cos theta. Sin theta minus mu k cos theta. Here T square is equal to, T equal to what? Both the sides square roots you take. What happened? Under root 2L by G of sin theta minus mu k cos theta. Under root 2L by G of sin theta minus mu k cos theta. At what velocity it reaches the bottom? So that I am taking v square minus u square equal to 2as formula. From v square minus u square equal to what? 2as formula. So v square minus 0 square is equal to what? 2 into A is what? G of sin theta minus mu k cos theta into displacement is what? L. So the time V square is equal to what? 2G. This L I am writing before, 2GL into sin theta minus mu k cos theta. Okay, here that is V square equal to V equal to what happens? Taking square root on both the sides, 2GL into sin theta minus mu k cos theta. Mu k cos theta. So this is velocity. Okay, while reaching the body to the bottom, velocity formula is what? Under root 2GL into sin theta minus mu k cos theta. Sliding down purpose, these formulas we observed. If body is sliding up, so when the body is sliding up, so that time what happens? So the resultant force F equal to what happens? F is okay minus mg sin theta. So motion of the body, okay, upward direction. So the time the body is moving up with acceleration A. So that time what are the formulas? Simply, so whatever the formulas we taken, force, acceleration and time and velocity. So wherever here again, okay, plus C minus is there, okay, just you take the plus sign. Why? Because again is the, okay, first case it is moving. So again is the first case it is moving up. First case is what? Down. So that is why what to do? So here wherever minus is there, here you can take sliding up purpose. What to take? Wherever minus is there you can take plus. And earlier we taken force also. What is the force formula? Mg of sin theta. There we taken sliding down time, we taken minus mu k cos theta. Here what I am taking? Plus mu k cos theta I am taking. Plus mu k cos theta I am taking. Okay. Next one, acceleration is what? A equal to g of sin theta plus mu k cos theta. There minus we taken, here plus we are taking. So this is acceleration purpose formulas. Okay, here some relation, smooth inclined plane and rough inclined plane, some related cases also they'll ask. Okay, how to solve that one, how to remember the formulas. Okay, by easy method I'll give, so check once. Smooth and rough, the related cases also they'll ask. How means, listen here. Here for example, so one body is sliding down on smooth inclined plane. So the time taken is, we can say TS. Okay, time taken is what? So TS, smooth inclined plane time. So the same inclination angle, okay, but that is rough inclined plane. So they'll give the coefficient of friction, they'll give. Okay, so the time, how much time it will take on the rough inclined plane. Okay, so the last question. So the time relation is what? Okay, the rough inclined plane is equal to how many times the number of times on the smooth inclined plane. Sometimes the both the time periods, okay, they'll give. The rough inclined plane, okay, the time period is n times the smooth inclined plane. Then find the coefficient of friction. Coefficient of friction value they'll ask, and angle of inclination theta for both the cases same only, and theta value also they'll give. They'll ask coefficient of friction. So that time very simple formula, mu equal to tan theta into 1 minus 1 by n square. Here n is what? How many times on rough inclined plane it is taking compared to smooth inclined plane. So n times, okay, smooth inclined plane, so it is taking on rough inclined plane. So that n value, for example, it is taking double time. Okay, n equal to 2 you can take, 3 times, okay, it is taking time, so 3 you can take. So like that. So very simple formula. Okay, by knowing this formula we can solve within the, okay, below 1 minute only we can solve this one. Tan theta equal to 1 minus 1 by n square is the formula. So like that only another case is here. Okay, so here on rough inclined plane only, so to slide down purpose it taken time is, Okay, so that is say TD. Okay, time of descent. And to reach upper purpose it is taken time is said time of ascent. Okay, so the relation between time of ascent and time of descent on rough inclined plane, both the cases are what? Rough inclined plane only. Okay, so TD is equal to n times the TA, time of ascent. So the time formula, coefficient of friction formula is what? Mu equal to, okay, mu equal to tan theta, here also same, tan theta into n square minus 1 by n square plus 1. What is the case? Mu equal to tan theta into n square minus 1 by n square plus 1. Another case is there. Okay, so in this case, for example, first half part is, okay, so first half not exactly half, so nth part is smooth inclined plane. So here this part is what? Smooth inclined plane. Okay, this is a smooth plane, and remaining part is rough inclined. So on one inclined plane only, so some part is 1 by nth of the part is, okay, how much? So here 1 by nth of the part, 1 by nth of the part is smooth. Okay, the rest of the part is rough inclined plane. So they'll ask question, so what will be the coefficient of friction of, okay, this rough inclined plane? Coefficient of friction, how much they'll ask? So the time coefficient of friction purpose formula, okay, mu equal to tan theta into n by n minus 1. What is the formula? Mu equal to tan theta into n by n minus 1 is the formula. Okay, so based on these cases, how they'll ask questions? Okay, so if you observe the previous papers, okay, compulsory they are asking this type of questions by easy formulas. By knowing these formulas, easily we can solve. So within the 1 minute only we can solve this type of problems. Okay, so some examples, numericals also I'll show on screen. You can check question on screen. A wooden block is placed on an inclined plane. The block just begins to slide down when the angle of inclination is increased to 45 degrees. What is the coefficient of friction? In this question we can observe, so the body is ready to slide down whenever the angle of inclination, okay, increasing time, the body tends to move. So here what happens here? Body is in equilibrium position only, body is in not motion, so it is tends to move. So that is why your body is in equilibrium condition. So that time what happened? Downward force is equal to upward force. Okay, mg sin theta is equal to what? The upward force, that is Fs. Okay, upward force is what? Fs. Fs means just now we did. So what is the formula? Mu s mg cos theta. Fs already we taken. So mu s mg cos theta. Here mg gets cancel. So sin theta. Okay, bring this side. Sin by cos is what? Tan theta. Tan theta equal to what? Mu s. Okay, theta value they given, how much given? 45 degrees given. Theta they given already, how much? 45 degrees. Substitute here tan 45. Tan 45 degrees is equal to mu s. So tan 45 value is how much? 1. So therefore mu s value is how much? 1. So which option is correct? So third option is correct. Next question you can take on screen. A body takes 1 by 3 times as much time to slide down a rough inclined plane as it takes a slide down an identical burst smooth inclined plane. If the angle of inclination is 45 degrees, find the coefficient of friction. In this question, which case is suitable here? The body is sliding down, first rough and then smooth. So rough inclined plane sliding down, how many times it will taken? 1 by 3 the set. Okay, so that means how much here? 1 by 3 means, okay, so 3 1 ja 3 plus 1, 4 by 3. First we have to convert. Okay, so 4 by 3 is what? So that is the n times on rough inclined plane compared to smooth inclined plane. So this many times, 4 by 3 times it is taken. So that time relation what I said. Okay, and theta also given, how much given? 45 degrees. So within 1 minute you can solve this problem. Okay, here what is the relation I given? Mu equal to tan theta into 1 minus 1 by n square is the formula. Okay, substitute the values. Mu equal to tan 45 degrees into 1 minus, okay, 1 minus 1 by n square. N is what? 4 by 3 whole square. Here mu equal to tan 45 value is how much? 1 into 1 minus 1 by 4 by 3 whole square. 4 square is 16 by 9. So this 9 I am sending to numerator, 9 by 16. So here LCM is what? 16. 16 minus 1. Okay, 16 by minus 9. 16 into 1, 16 minus 9 divided by 16. 16 minus 9 is how much? 7. 7 by 16. Therefore, coefficient of friction is how much? 7 by 16. Which option is correct? Fourth option is correct. So you can write next question. A block of mass 2 kilograms is lying on a rough inclined plane. The force needed to move the block up the plane with uniform velocity by applying a force parallel to the plane is 100 newtons. The force needed to move the block up with an acceleration of 2 meter per second square. In this case, a rough inclined plane body is sliding up. Sliding up time force formula is what? Fk equal to mg into sin theta plus mu k cos theta is the formula, right? Here what they are saying, the resultant force, okay, to slide up purpose. So slide up purpose resultant force, what they are saying. So this whatever the frictional force plus and the force ma we can take. Ma we can take frictional force, they only given this value, they only given how much they given? 100 newtons they only given here. Okay, 100 newtons. And mass of the block also given and acceleration also given. So that is why the resultant force, okay, to require the body, okay, to move up purpose, Fk value 100 newtons they only given, and mass of the body given 2 kilograms, and acceleration of the body also they given 2 meter per second square. So add this all, 100 plus 2 into 2 4, total how much? 104 newtons. 104 newtons of the force is required to pull the body up. Okay, next question you can take. A block sliding down a rough 45 degrees inclined plane has half the velocity it would have had the inclined plane been smooth. The coefficient of sliding friction between block and the inclined plane is. In this case, what they are saying, on rough inclined plane body is sliding down, that time velocity. Okay, so next is smooth inclined plane, also it is body sliding down, so that time final velocity. The relation is given, the rough surface velocity is half of the smooth 1 by 2 of the smooth surface they are saying. Okay, so just here only theta value is given. How much given? 45 degrees, only theta value is given. They are asking coefficient of friction mu is how much they are asking. So both the sides substitute the formulas. Just now we taken rough inclined plane, the final velocity formula is what? Under root 2g into sliding down sin theta minus mu k cos theta is equal to, okay, is equal to Vs by 2. Vs means smooth inclined plane time period formula. What is the formula? 2gl sin theta, just 2gl sin theta. Okay, 2gl sin theta divided by how much? 2. Here both the sides roots are there, squaring on both the sides, squaring on both the sides. Okay, here root gets cancelled, 2gl sin theta minus mu k cos theta is equal to, here root cancel 2gl sin theta by here 2 square 4. Okay, both the sides 2gl gets cancelled. Okay, so with 4 I am multiplying this side, 4 into sin theta 4 sin theta minus, okay, so this sin theta I am bringing this side sin theta is equal to this 4 into mu k cos theta. Here minus is there, I am sending this side, plus 4 mu k cos theta. Here how much? 4 sin theta minus sin theta. 3 sin theta is equal to 4 mu k cos theta. Here mu k equal to 3 by 4 sin by cos is what? Tan theta. Okay, here theta also given, how much given? 45 degrees. 45 means how much? Therefore mu equal to 3 by 4 into 1, so that is mu equal to what? 3 by 4. Therefore coefficient of friction is how much? 3 by 4. So which option is correct? Second option is correct option. Next question you can take. A block is pushed up a rough inclined plane of 45 degrees. If the time of descent is twice the time of ascent, the coefficient of friction is. Here what they are saying, which case in this time of descent is n times the time of ascent on rough inclined plane. So that time what is the case? Mu equal to tan theta into n square minus 1 by n square plus 1. What is the case? Here mu equal to tan theta into n square minus 1 by n square plus 1. Okay, here how many times? Here what they are saying, td equal to twice the, okay, ta means n value is how much? 2. N value is what? 2. Substitute here mu equal to, and theta value they only given, how much given? Theta value 45 degrees. Substitute the values, tan 45 into n square 2 square minus 1 by 2 square plus 1. Tan 45 value is how much? 1 into 2 square, that is 4 minus 1 by 4 plus 1. So that is how much? 3 by 5. Which option is correct? The 3 by 5. So that is 3 by 5. Okay, 3 by 5 option is are there. So which option is correct? 5 1 ja 5. Okay, decimal I am taking 0. 5 6 ja 30. 0.6. 0.6. First option only correct option. An engine of metric ton is going up an inclined plane 1 in 2 at the rate of 36 km per hour. If the coefficient of friction is 1 by root 3, the power of the engine is. Problem. So what they are saying, so the body is sliding up on rough inclined plane, body is sliding up on a rough inclined plane. They given the body of mass, okay, so they given 1 metric ton given, and body is sliding up. So the length directly not given. So what they are saying, 1 into they are saying, so the height is 1 means the length is how much? 2. The inclination angle not given directly, they are not given, indirectly given. So the time sine function, cos functions we required. So we'll make the sine and cos functions. So 1 into sine function is what? Opposite by hypotenuse. So that is 1 by 2. Okay, cos function is what? Sine function. 1 by 2 means that is nothing but what? How much? So that is 30 degrees. Sine. Okay, theta equal to 1 by 2 means what? Theta equal to 30 degrees. So here cos 30 means how much? Root 3 by 2. Here we'll get the root 3 by 2. How? The hypotenuse whole square under root hypotenuse whole square, that is 4 minus opposite whole square 1. So under root 4 minus 1 is root 3. Okay, root 3 by 2 we got. And speed is given, how much? 36 kilometer per hour given. Convert to meter per second. How much? 36 into, how to convert kilometer per hour to meter per second? Into 5 by 18. 5 by 18 meter per second. Now 18 1 ja 18 2 ja 2 5 ja 10. 10 meter per second is the speed. Okay, and coefficient of friction also given. How much given? Coefficient of friction is, okay, 1 by root 3. Mu value also given, 1 by root 3 they given. Okay, what they are asking, power is how much they are asking. Power formula, so we know that power and velocity relation is what? Fv. So this F is what? The body is sliding up, so that is why. So what I am taking, so P equal to F. F is what? mg into sin theta plus mu k cos theta into V sin theta plus mu k cos theta. Why? Because body is sliding up. Okay, into velocity. Why? Because V power equal to force into velocity. Substitute the values. P equal to 1 metric ton means 1000 kilograms into, that is 10 power of 3. G value 9.8 not given, 9.8 only we have to take. Sin theta, just now we got how much? 1 by 2 plus mu k, they only given 1 by root 3 into cos theta. Cos theta how much? Root 3 by 2, root 3 by 2. Okay, into velocity how much? 10. Here root 3 gets cancelled. Okay, so here P equal to 10 power of 3, okay, into 9.8. Here 1 by 2, so inside 1 by 2 is there, 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2, that is 1 only, into 10 is there outside, 10. So this 0 and this decimal cancel. That time what happened? Therefore P equal to, okay, 98 into 10 power of 3, this 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 is what? 1 only. Now, okay, how many watts here? 98 into 10 power of 3 watts. Here 10 power of 3 watts, I am writing kilowatts. Therefore final answer P equal to how much? 98 kilowatts. 98 kilowatts is the answer. Which option is correct? The second option is correct option. Take from screen. The minimum force required to move a body up an inclined plane is 3 times the minimum force required to prevent it from sliding down the plane. The coefficient of friction between the body and the inclined plane is 1 by 2 root 3. The angle of inclined plane is how much? In this, when the body is sliding up, so the time force, okay, how much? Okay, times taken, so 3 times taken while sliding down. So here what they given? When sliding up is equal to 3 times the sliding down. Okay, and here coefficient of friction is given 1 by 2 root 3. Coefficient of friction also given 1 by 2 root 3. Okay, so they are asking, what they are asking? Angle of inclination, theta value, how much they are asking. Here in this case, just substitute the formulas both the sides. Okay, so sliding up time formula, we know that. What is the formula? mg sin theta plus mu k cos theta, okay, is equal to 3 times sliding down formula, we know that mg sin theta minus mu k cos theta, sin theta minus mu k cos theta. Both the sides, here we can cancel mg cancel. Here mu value given 1 by 2 root 3, so later we'll substitute after solving this. Okay, here 1 by 2 root 3 coefficient of friction, mg cancel, so open this brackets, sin theta plus mu k cos theta is equal to 3 is there here, 3 into sin theta, that is 3 sin theta minus 3 mu k cos theta. Here 3 sin theta, this minus mu k, 3 mu k cos theta, I am bringing this side. What happened? Already 1 mu k cos theta is there. Total how much? 4 mu k cos theta is equal to this sin theta, I am sending this side. 3 sin theta minus sin theta, what happens? 2 sin theta. So 2 1 ja, 2 2 ja. Okay, here mu k equal to, so what I am doing? Mu k, okay, mu k value they only given, na? Mu k value they only given. First we'll substitute the mu k value also. Mu k value how much given? Okay, here 2 into mu k value 1 by 2 root 3 given is equal to sin by cos. This cos theta I am sending this side, sin by cos theta. Okay, here 2 gets cancelled. 1 by root 3 is equal to what? Tan theta. In tan function, when we'll get the 1 by root 3? So for 30 degrees purpose we'll get. Therefore theta equal to how much? 30 degrees. Okay, the angle of inclination is how much? 30 degrees. Which option is correct? So here it is clear. Third option is correct option. Next problem. A block of wood of mass 0.5 kilograms is placed on plane making an angle 30 degrees with the horizontal. If the coefficient of friction between the surface of contact of the body and the plane is 0.2, what force required to keep the body sliding down with uniform velocity? Here, one body is sliding down on rough inclined plane. Okay, so what they given? Mass is given 0. Okay, how much given? So 0.5 kilograms given. 0.5 kilograms of the body given. So here 0.5 means we can note down 1 by 2 kilogram. Okay, so like that only the angle of inclination is given. How much? Angle of inclination is 30 degrees. Theta value 30 degrees given, and coefficient of friction also given. How much given? 0.2 the given. 0.2 means 1 by 5 also we can write for easy calculation purpose. So we can write first. Okay, so body sliding down. So sliding down on rough inclined plane. Okay, the resultant force formula is what? F equal to mg into sin theta minus mu k cos theta. Okay, so F equal to mg of sin theta minus mu k cos theta. So resultant force F equal to m. So m is how much? 1 by 2. G value is how much? Not given, 9.8. Okay, sin theta minus mu k cos theta. Sin theta, okay, sin 30 degrees minus mu k. Mu k is how much? 1 by 5. Cos 30 degrees. Here 2 1 ja 2, 4.9 ja, F equal to 4.9 into sin 30 value how much? 1 by 2 minus 1 by 5 into cos 30 how much? Root 3 by 2. Okay, here F is equal to 4.9. Okay, so this here also 2 is there, here also 2, I am taking common. So that time what happened? 1 minus root 3 by 5. 1 minus root 3 by 5. Here 4.9 by 2 into LCM is what? 5. So 5 minus root 3. Root 3 value how much? 1.732. 1.732. Solve that one. F equal to 4.9 divided by 2 into, so 5 minus, okay, 7, 1.732. Okay, so here 10 minus 8. Okay, so 9 minus 3, 6, 9 minus 7, 2. Okay, and 4 minus 1, 3. 3.268 divided by 5. Okay, so multiply this one, okay, and divided by 10. These two multiply and divided by, okay, 2 5 ja 10. So that time you will get, okay, final answer you will get, so 1.6 newtons you will get. Which option is correct? The second option is correct. So like this, smooth and rough inclined planes and their relations we observed. So compulsory questions in JEE, Neet and Eamcet, other, okay, state board competitive examinations, entrances, compulsory this type of questions they'll ask. So by easy method, so you can learn, you can remember also these formulas. Okay, you can apply within the 1 minute, you'll get the answers. Okay, so I hope all are understood these cases. Okay, if you understood, okay, please like this video and share to your friends so that may help to your friends also. Okay, and don't forget to subscribe. So next will come with the another important topic the next class. Okay, thank you for watching.